welcome back to Keto Naturopath Kitchen. And I'm continuing with my lemon theme today because I have a lot of lemon juice left over from when I made my limoncello. And watch out because our lemon tree this year has lemons on it, so we may be doing more lemons in the future. So this is lemon whip or lemon mousse, whatever you want to call it. So you start off with 50 grams of sweetener. I use xylitol, a teaspoon of gelatin, and to that you add 50 milliliters of lemon juice, which is about 1/4 cup. So you stir these and you heat it over low heat until it starts to thicken. Stir, it shouldn't take long. I don't know how this is really going to thicken. I don't have any cornstarch in it, so. And this burner's not real hot, so I turned it up a little, but we'll just, at least until the sugar dissolves, but it will thicken somewhat. So the lemon mixture is cooling. I have it in the freezer to cool down. Then I realized that it's not going to get thick because I didn't have any thickening agent in it. So I didn't use cornstarch. That's why I use gelatin instead of cornstarch. However, gelatin is not going to make it thick until it's cooled off, so I'm cooling it off. Another option, if you add an egg yolk to it and heat it up, it will get thicker. I chose not to have the egg yolk. So the next step is I have 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. You can use a whole cup if you want. This is just under a cup. Now the whipping cream is cold. The bowl has been in the refrigerator. The beaters have been in the refrigerator. And I'm just going to make whipped cream. It's just heavy whipping cream, and that's all. It is so easy to whip whipped cream. Now, we're normally dairy-free. You could try whipping up coconut cream. I don't have much luck in whipping up coconut cream. I wanted to show you, so I'm using heavy cream. Now you add the lemon mixture, and you continue whipping. So I'm just going to taste this. Oh. It's such a refreshing dessert. Spoon it into a dessert cup. If you wanted to get fancy, you could put it in a pastry bag and pipe it in. I'm not good with piping. Now, since we don't have dairy often, I'm going to try freezing the rest because this is a lot of dairy for us. I haven't tried this, so I don't know what it's going to be like, but it's going to be like little clouds of lemon ice cream. It is so easy. This was such an easy, refreshing dessert to make for the summer. Now, this is so good. So light. I love lemon. Enjoy.